and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. And today I'm going to be cooking a little cast iron pan pizza. I'm just going to make a small one in here. So my first step is to heat the pan up in the oven, and then I'll place the ingredients into the pan and I'll place it back into the oven. Let's do it. The pan has been in the oven for a few minutes. It should be nice and hot. I'm going to put it down on that board, but get my oven glove first because it's going to be super hot. Got my oven glove. I am now going to pull this out from the oven. You don't have to use a hot pan. You can use a cold pan, but I like to get that crunchy base, and so I'm using it hot. It's got a nice crispy base even before I put the toppings in, which is exactly how I like it. So let's put the toppings in. I'm going to use grated mozzarella. The gas on just above low, so it's like medium-ish to low. So I'm going to just put this in. And I've got it quite close to the edge there because it should be okay. I'm going to turn it down a bit more. Okay, put it on low. So I've put the flames on low because it's cooking the dough very quickly. I don't want it to burn. So I'm just getting the top cook now with the flames. Just check. It's cooking nicely. I'm going to just put that end down there so that gets a bit before that burns. That bit as well. Cheese is cooked really well, and the pepperoni's cooked well without burning the edges of it. All bubbled up, and so we're done. My small pan pizza. I'm going to try that bit. Oh, super hot. Hot. Mmm. cheese. It's like made an envelope around the pepperoni. It's like sludged in that crust. It's my normal dough recipe, just the basic dough recipe. I'll put the link up here. I used a 160 gram dough ball for the size of this dish, which is still hot. I am making a right mess here. Very tasty, nice change from making normal stone pizza, different to thick, deep pan pizza. I prefer my thin pan pizza, really enjoy it, very tasty. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.